Been a while since I've actually been to Miami Beach, meaning the actual beach in Miami Beach. Usually when you go, it's about shopping, walking around, seeing the sights, people watching, but this time I figured, why not just walk on the beach and see how things are. This is looking north from South Point Park Pier, where you can fish. The water was very clear today. You could see the bottom. You can actually see it on the other side of the jetty, but especially near the pier itself, where there was very little wave action. That's about as clear as I've ever seen the water. Every fish passing by, you certainly got a good view of. Of course, they had a view of you as well. Of course, this is Mango's Tropical Cafe, an old converted nursing home. The main tourist trap of South Beach, but with good entertainment, reasonable food, and dancing at night. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.